Hi all, welcome to our channel Job Masters. Today we are going to discuss about one of the most common interview question, P2P cycle. So in P2P cycle, we have a steps. Step 1, purchase order, purchase order creation. Step 2, goods receipt, goods receipts. Step 3, invoice receipt, invoice receipt. Step 4, payment from FI side. So for purchase order creation, we can use the transaction codes. So ME21N will be creating purchase order and goods receipt in MIGO transaction code and invoice receipt MIRO transaction code, and payment we can use either manual payment F-53 or we can use F110. So during the purchase order, there is no accounting impact. No accounting impact. So at the time of goods receipt, the accounting transactions, debit, stock account, and credit, GRAR account. So at the time of MIRO, there is a accounting entry, debit, GRAR account, and credit, vendor account. At the time of payment, debit, vendor account, and credit, outgoing, bank account or cash account. So these three steps comes under P2P site or MM site. This step comes from the FI end. So let's log in SAP system and we can see these results in the SAP system. So let's log in. So first step, we need to create purchase order. Go to transaction code ME21N. So we need to give vendor parameter. Select the respective vendor. For our company code, we have to give select the vendor, just press enter, give the purchasing organization, give purchasing group as per SAP 00. Just enter. These are all the required field under header information. So after giving the required field at header level, then we'll come to the line item level. In line item level, we have to give the material and the quantity, how much quantity we wanted to purchase from vendor. So we can give 100 quantity. Net price, we can give 120. So after discount, it will come by default. After 2% discount, it will come 117.60. And plant storage location. So after giving the all required input parameters under line item level, just press enter. So then click on check the purchase order. After giving all the information, just click on check the purchase order. No messages issued during check. So click on save the purchase order. So we have successfully created purchase order number. So let's take the purchase order number. So we have created purchase order number. So with reference to purchase order number, we'll do the goods receipt. So let's go to the SAP screen. Go back and go to MIGO transaction code. So select goods receipt and give purchase order number. Just press enter. Select the line and drag it to the bottom. Select OK, item OK. So check the goods receipt document. So document is OK. So then click on post the goods receipt document. So we have successfully posted goods receipt document. After successfully posted goods receipt document, let's go to the display mode of the document. Select the display in MIGO and give the goods receipt document. Just press enter. Go to document information. Click on FI documents. So we can see the entry debit stock and credit GRIR account. So the second step, goods receipt completed. After goods receipt, we'll go to the invoice receipt. Go back and go to transaction code MIRO. So give the invoice date, input parameters. Give the invoice date, posting date. With reference to purchase order, we can receive the invoice from the vendor. So let's copy the purchase order number. Just press enter. So by default, the amount coming from the purchase order, the quantity is 100. If we wanted to change the quantity, we can change the quantity. If we wanted to change any amount, we can change that amount in line item level, and as well as we have to give in header level. So this information we can update based on invoice received from the vendor. On the invoice, whatever the amount and quantity is showing, that amount and quantity we need to give here at the time of posting the invoice document. So after giving header level that particular amount and line item level both are matching. So invoice receipt, just press enter. So after matching the debit and header level and credit in line item level is matching, just select this indicator and click on simulate this document. So there is a debit GRAR account and credit vendor account. Click on post this document. So we have posted this MIRO document. Go to the display mode of the document. Click on follow on documents. So if we can see, there is a document, debit GRAR account and credit vendor account, whatever the amount which we have updated and posted, it is showing here based on the transaction keys. So let's do the last step, payment for this respective invoice. To perform the payment, either we can go to F-53 or F110, we can process the payment from FI side. So let's go to the F-53. So give the document date. So whatever the required input parameters, document type, company code, and respective information we have to give here. Click on process open items. If we don't know how much amount we wanted to clear, we can put 1 rupee and then later on we will give the respective amount. Just click on process open items. So select all the items, deactivate all the items. So now we need to check what is our exact invoice which we wanted to clear here. So this is the invoice which we have posted as per this document date. So let's select this document and click on overview button. So there is only 1 rupee is there. So we need to give star the same amount. 11,760 as per the invoice amount. Click on overview. Go to the menu bar. Click on document. Click on simulate. So the entry is debit vendor account and credit cash or bank account. Let's try to post this document from FI site. So we have successfully posted this payment against invoice. Go to the menu bar and click on document. Click on display mode of the document. So the entry is debit vendor account and credit cash or bank account. So this is the P2P cycle. This is the process flow. Looking for in-depth job focused IT training, please reach out to Job Masters Technologies and take the next step in your career. If you found this video useful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel.